Okay, today we're going to be talking about elapsed time, and we're going to do two problems together, and then you have some problems assigned to you. So the first problem says, Miss Vieira is baking a cake that takes 45 minutes to bake. If she puts the cake into the oven at 4:35, what time will the cake be done? So I'm going to clarify and say this is 4:35 p.m. because she's probably not going to get up early in the morning to put a cake in the oven. We're going to do this on a number line, and the cake goes into the oven at 4:35 p.m. She is baking a cake that takes 45 minutes to bake, and we want to know what time will the cake be done. So if we start at 4:35, we're going to move forward 45 minutes. Okay? And I think since this is 4:35, I'm going to move 5 minutes. 4:35 and then plus 5 minutes gets me to 4:40 because 35 plus 5 is 40. And that takes 5 minutes away from the 45. So now I have 40 minutes to go. And so I'm going to look at this, and 4:40, 4:55. I'm going to make a 20-minute jump. And 40 minutes plus 20 minutes equals 60 minutes, or that gets us to the next hour. And the next hour would be 5 o'clock. Now, I've used 5 minutes of my 45, and I've used 20 minutes of my 45. So that leaves 20 minutes, right? So 20 minutes gets me to 5:20, still p.m. So this part up here, 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 5 is 45 minutes. This is my elapsed time. That means how much time has passed. And they told us the elapsed time in this question was 45 minutes, and we had to find our end time. So we have our start time and our end time. And our cake's going to be ready at 5:20. Then, of course, it's going to be iced beautifully, and hopefully then we get to enjoy the cake. Okay? The second question that we're going to work on happens to be featuring another one of your teachers, Miss Zhang. She's going to fly home to St. Louis next weekend. The flight takes 1 hour and 48 minutes. If Miss Zhang's flight leaves at 4:45, what time will she arrive in St. Louis? So she has a flight that's leaving at 4:45 p.m. because it's in the afternoon after school gets out. And it's going to take 1 hour and 48 minutes. So I think that my first jump, I think I'm going to do the 1 hour. And then that'll leave my 48 minutes. So I'm going to make a time hop of 1 hour. 4:45, 1 hour later is 5:45. The hour changed, the minutes did not. Now I still have my 48 minutes to go. And I'm at 45 right now. 45 minutes plus 15 minutes would get me to 6 o'clock. 45 minutes, 50, 55, 60 minutes. So that's 15 minutes. I'm going to do a 15-minute jump to get to 6 o'clock. Now, this is where you've got to pay a little bit more attention, because I used my hour here, and then I had 48 minutes. I used 15 minutes of it in my elapsed time. So I'm just going to, instead of trying to do it in my head and keep up with it, I'm going to subtract it on paper. So 8 minus 5 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So I have 33 minutes out of this 48 minutes left. So I need to make another jump of 33 minutes, and that gets me to 6:33 p.m. Miss Zhang will arrive at 6:33 p.m. So my elapsed time is across the top, my start time, and my end time. So pay careful attention to the work you've been assigned. If you're a virtual student, your work's been assigned in Seesaw. If you were in class on Thursday, yesterday, you should have taken a paper home, and you're going to complete that paper on elapsed time and bring it back and turn it in Monday. All of this should not take you a huge amount of time. If you have some extra time that you want to put in on math, you can always do Dreambox. And I will see all of y'all Monday morning.